Sunny out finally. Yesterday, okay, we got the most of the fast foot in. I did all the piers except one, just our one special one that's like 4 feet tall and crazy. Today we got sun, we're finishing that pier, and we're gonna get going on rebar. I was actually able to build some of the pier footing grids at the house, and so I got those set in place, but now we're going to run our AccuFooting, throw in the horizontal rebar that's going to connect the whole building, and probably button up our steps a little bit, put our little step rebar in and put the plywood face on that, and then we're off to verts. So today we hope to finish fast foot completely and start doing rebar. That's it. Cheers. Peace out.
Toes from my missteps and towards your souls. I learned my way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow. And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain. I cut my teeth till I taste the way. My empty mouth finds the words to say. All the things I found being chipped away, and all the ways I built from how I pray. And every laugh has a cry, every loss has a gain. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain. Something you can feel till you're tough enough. Something you make you. Something you can feel. moving in your ways. It's a peace I've never known. Build my anchor, throw it in your waves. Slow it down and call you home. You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love.
Thanks for helping me, baby.
You're welcome. Now my gloves are all dirty.
It's okay. They're work gloves, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun. You give me new eyes open.
Careful of water,
Call my heartbeat into love.
Okay.
Shoot it on me.
All right.
When we were younger, you started on with a look you gave. It spread over and over among us. When we were younger, when we were younger, I had in mind to keep an eye on you. Watch you fill the room without a whisper. When we were younger, and I held my breath, and like it was my last one. But you stared it right in front of us. You stared it right in front of us. When we were younger, we'd sit around to see your point of view. Watch you give an inch and take the moment there. When we were younger, and still I held my breath, and like it was my last one. But you stared it right in front of us. You stared it right in front of us. Like when I saw you for the first time. I felt like this before. It reminds me what I've been missing here. Every memory, every more. It reminding what I've been missing here. When I saw you for the first
Oh,
time.
in your face. Oh no, good thing you had glasses on. Whoa.
Yeah, the wind just blows them all that way.
That was so many.
Hello.
Wow.
lot of bubbles.
It's like 120, 30
There's
million.
a giant one right there. Look.
Don't hit the hole.
Keep going. Keep going. There's more on here. There you go.
Whoa.
I know I felt like this before. It reminds me what I've been missing. Every memory, evermore. Here reminding what I've been missing.
guess it went okay. We didn't have any blowouts, so that was good. So everything was supported strong enough. We were a little slow. I mean, pretty much all amateurs here doing the work. So we were a little slow tamping it down, flattening it out. So I guess that's okay. I don't really know. At the end of the day, we're putting ICF on it, so it's gonna hide most of the blemishes, but we got concrete all over me. I think my boot broke, just came out of the socket. Oh shit, I didn't even realize that till now. I must have stepped on it weird. So that happened. Nicked my tree, dinged up his pump line, but you know, that's concrete. But yeah, trucks came on time. The pump guy was nice, helped us through it, and we're just taking some learnings and moving on. Pretty much it.
How long did it take?
Well, I think he was done cleaning up around 4:30, so about 3 hours, I think. 3 trucks. I ordered 29.5 cubic yards, used about 26. So I, over ordered, but I'd rather over order than under. I think that's been the gist, and I think I added 10% excess on there. But knowing me, my calculations were pretty much spot on, so that 10% was just kind of a waste. Whatever. What's next? Well, tomorrow we start stripping the form boards and cleaning all that stuff up. It'll be hard by tonight to walk on, so we'll just strip form boards and then we'll snap our building perimeter lines, and then we go to work on ICF. So I'm hoping ICF's delivered tomorrow, but we'll see. See about that. But we're done. Footers in the book, finally. It's been a long month of footers. So glad to be done. Moving on to the next stage. Whew.